Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Records are tumbling across Queensland for the coldest and wettest day July has ever seen, and some stations have even rebroken yesterday's records. So yes, this is not your average winter. I've got some good news though, the sun comes out tomorrow. 109 millimetres at Bowen overnight. We had 68 mils at Ayr. Ingham had 52 mils. Charters Towers 47, and Townsville Airport picked up 36 millimetres. Townsville had a top temperature today of only 16 degrees, re-breaking yesterday's record of 16.4, while Bowen Airport's top of 13 smashed its old July record of 17. Looking at the satellite loop now, the upper level trough is the main instigator of this very unseasonable weather. It's producing an enormous sheet of middle level cloud. You've noticed it's starting to contract east near the coast now, and by this time tomorrow it will have rotated and moved offshore, allowing the sun to come out again. But this rare combination of a deep southerly flow under this thick cloud is producing maximum temperatures similar to what they would be around the east coast of Tasmania, where the average in Hobart, for example, is about 12 degrees. Not that dissimilar to what we've been getting. Let's look at today's chart now. Remember, the surface tells us nothing. What it does tell us, though, is that we have an offshore trough attached to a low that's still spinning off the New South Wales coast and a big high coming in through Bass Strait. On tomorrow's chart, the high continues this eastward migration. We get a new one coming in, but more importantly, the upper level trough that you can't see now moves offshore. Then on the outlook chart, even though we don't have the cloud, it gets very cold in the mornings because we have a southwesterly flow now. Frosty inland especially, but sunny by day. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, boating forecast for Townsville waters. Southerly winds tomorrow, 15 to 20 knots, then dropping to 10 to 15 on both Thursday and Friday. Low tide first up tomorrow around mid-morning for most ports, with a high tide in the afternoon. It's only a modest swing with the first quarter moon almost upon us. Herbert and Burdekin, fine and sunny tomorrow, would you believe? Townsville, 12 to 23 degrees. Ayr 22, Ingham 23. Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders, a sunny day. Some frost already on the Gregory Ranges. Charters Towers 6 tonight, 19 tomorrow. Georgetown a top of 23. Looking ahead for Townsville, a dramatic improvement for the next 7 days with loads of winter sunshine. I should emphasise it will not be warm, colder than average in fact, but way less cold than today. And that's all the weather for tonight. Thanks again for all the superb weather photos you've been sending me. That's weather photos, not sunrise sunset photos. Keep them coming, and the questions too. AskLivio@7.com.au is the correct email address. Now it's back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. That's all from us for this Tuesday. Thanks very much for your company. A reminder, you can watch a replay of 7 News on the 7 Plus app, or you can catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. From all of us here, enjoy your evening. We look forward to you joining us tomorrow. Good night.